Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Tuesday, June the 8th, 2010, and it's time to take some more money from the bulls. Let's have a look at the chart. The market had a little bounce today. It's going to, of course, lift a lot of stocks. We like bounces. We're bearish, but we like the bounce because it brings us back into that situation at that point where we can short and get a good chunk of change out of the move. It's a lot harder to short once your stock has already moved successfully lower, especially if she's trading below the lower Bollinger Band line. It's a lot harder. This is a Bollinger Band line right here. This green line right here. This is the lower. This dotted one in the center is the middle, and this one on top, of course, is the top Bollinger Band line. Once a stock is trading below the middle Bollinger Band line down here, it's really hard to short at that level because you expect you're going to get a bounce sooner or later. What you want to do is wait for that bounce and then short at the middle Bollinger Band line. Okay, that's how that game is played. And right now we've got the ticker symbols AXS, Access Capital Holdings Ltd. We are back up at the middle Bollinger Band line at 30.03. I'd be shorting at that level or higher. You do have a gap. Let me get this out of the way. You do have a gap that could fill right here. I wouldn't wait for it, but it could fill there. So I'd be short, like I said, at 30.03 or higher, and that's how I would play that game. I would place a stop 10% above my entry point. That puts my stop way up here, way above this 32.47, the previous high. So there's plenty of room there. What you're looking for here, let me get that out of the way again, is a gap fill way down here. Got one to fill. I believe that'll fill. And you've also got one here. Today's low point did not fill this one here. So you've got a gap here that's easy money if you just want to trade in for that. And you've also got a big one here. And I'll tell you why I believe this is going to fill. Let's have a look at it. Roll on down. There she is. MACD telling you everything you need to know. Again, low point here, or here. And that is telling you there's an uptrend, while the low point here and the low point here are telling you there's a downtrend. That's called a bearish divergence. You want to trust the MACD over price, and that means we don't believe this is the bottom. You'll notice there's no quality hammer formation here telling us there's a bottom anyway, and that's because price is tipping their hand to you, telling you this isn't really the bottom. We're just pretending for a moment, and we're going to end up doing that number like that, okay? So you could actually make $3 a share there, or 10% or so, a little bit better than 10% on that trade. If you wanted to do that, it's awesome. Yes, awesome. Okay. If you have not been to our website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's 100% free. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. Tell somebody, anybody, to go check us out. We're making tons of money, calling this market better than probably anybody that I've run across. And our members are loving it because they're making tons of money. And we could use the support, okay? That's how we stay free, as people tell other people about it, okay? Also, feel free to watch our nightly market analysis. You don't want to miss that. We give all kinds of information there that a lot of other guys don't tell you, like how to do it. Do what we're doing, you know? Awesome, cool. All right, let's have a look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer. You can read. God bless. Enjoy the evening. Let's keep making that money.